Work is about to commence on the 1978 PE 250 Suzuki. Alright, hey everybody, Outdoor Rob here. This is a new purchase of a very old bike, 1978 Suzuki PE called Pure Enduro 250. Been trying to get my hands on this bike for about 7 years now. The guy wouldn't sell. Finally decided to sell. I got plans to restore it. It runs the way it is now. It runs, and it actually looks pretty good considering. Got stuff like broken plastic, but I think I'm going to put new piston and rings in it. We'll be redoing all the suspension and a few other things. So this is going to be my winter project. I like the looks of this bike. It had 28 horsepower back in the day. It was a little tractor. You can see the 2000 YZ 125. That's the one I was riding with the grandkids. That'll be going to the grandkids eventually when they get up to that level. But this one's going to be for me, for my fun. Gonna be doing a little bit of work on it. Like I said, the top end, new piston, rings, cleaning carb. I'll check out clutches, the ignition there, and the gearbox. Hopefully I won't have to get into the gearbox. He said everything ran fine when it was last running. It hasn't run for I think 22 years now. Been sitting in the garage collecting dust for 22 years. The only thing I've done to it so far is just spray off all the dust and stuff that was on it. So that's the new project. Right now on this one, I'm just I took out the carb, cleaned the carb up completely. Just waiting for a little boot on the throttle cable and a new air filter. And then I can put the subframe, new air filter, put all that back in. And then that one will be done for now. That's 22 years of difference in bikes right there. I'll have to try and shine up that tank and get some new Suzuki stickers for it. Be getting all new plastic for it. He also gave me the old Bell Moto 3 helmet. It's an old classic. It's just going to be used for photo sessions, photo ops now. There's no way I'll be running that thing. You look in there, that's just hard styrofoam and a little bit of felt. That's brain injury waiting to happen. But it looks kind of neat anyways. Be good to get some retro gear and sit on it with the helmet. So anyways, just thought I'd let you know about the new project. Alright, hey everybody. Work is about to commence on the 1978 PE 250 Suzuki. It's an Enduro bike. I'm going to take it apart. This isn't going to be like a all-star restoration. I'm going to be painting the frame back to black. It had been painted yellow, same with the swing arm. Front fender's cracked, so I want to replace the plastics and make them match, and then basically make it look good. And I'm going to be buying new rear shocks. Those are non-rechargeable. The front forks I'm going to send to Tapio and get him to fix them up for riding. This bike is going to be, I'm hoping to do some hare scrambles with it in the vintage class. So that's what my plan is. So I'll get started taking it apart. Well, I guess this is all going to be Imperial stuff. 1/2-inch bolts on the seat, so of course being a 78 it would be.